Yeah, going over there by Cowtown. Beamer know where to go.
I just fit my job.
How much you got? Huh? Yeah, we do the speed limit. We don't be going over the speed limit whatsoever.
Yeah, no, we do the speed limit.
Always do the speed limit.
GR.
That means going on the runs the right way. GR, baby. Safeway. Safety first. You don't be going the speed limit?
Always go speed limit.
What?
Nothing above 55 posted.
55, stay alive.
Unless it's 15 and then you end up with 30.
Oh, okay. I don't know. One of these dudes said 155, stay alive.
155?
Really fast.
Sound like a GR boy. That is a GR boy. We made it. Is that roll? I figured that was roll. Yeah.
That's definitely real. Brandon 636.
I should have said Mean Gene.
There we go.
Nah, that really messed up things. What's up, sir? Throw it up.
The Greek. It's the one and only. Perfect time.
You know.
Ah.
All right, yeah.
You taking your own route or you?
Yeah, we take. I mean, what's the same route?
Okay.
But yeah, we're gonna take our own group. You know.
Oh,
Be a little chaotic.
what's up either way? How you doing? How you doing? You going to the spot? I'm going.
Group 1 over here.
Where? Oh, yeah. That's where we're going. Yeah, we're going. Hey, y'all, we're gonna go over here. But I don't know if we're taking all these other folks. So. Oh well. Tell them don't be mad. Don't be mad. Boy, them boys doing it tonight. Boys doing it. They told us we ending this season hot. Nick said we ending the season hot. Nick said we going hot. Ham. We making ham sandwiches out this joint. He put the press.
You said herd cats?
Yeah.
Cats. Everybody was coming for their rent money today. And
Yeah. Hey, you can park your bike. Hey, Ozzy, turn it towards.
I stayed in the back. And it feels like a lot of people are trying
Game over. I knew Nick was going to take off. I told him, I said, we're going to chill. He said, oh. I said, well, let me get prepared. So let me get prepared. That traffic was bad.
The whole way, bro.
Bad. The whole way. Bad. That traffic was horrible. Horrible.
Was it ever?
Horrible. Traffic was bad. Huh? Say that again. So you want your 6 or 6?
As soon as we got past Blue Plains,
Man, it's dark as hell.
I mean, drop the hammer. The 2 minutes they was balling. And Simba and his boy was behind them, but they was pulling the race. I was sitting there watching them. We took
GR boys closing it down. Wild Irish Whisper. Deadville, USA. We're the last bikes up here, though. Last bikers. Just chilling. Just chilling. Yeah. What about Saturdays? It's probably people here on the weekend. Let's roll out. Oh, let me get my coat on first. Yeah. he just left helmet and jacket. He said, ain't nobody stealing this. They ain't stealing a bike. They ain't stealing a jacket. And they for sure ain't stealing this helmet. They said they're going to go for them high dollar boys at the end. Yeah, TL, I was just telling them. I used to want one of them joints bad. TL 1000, man. Them joints were tanks.
That joint sounds good too.
GI boys closing it out as usual. Look at that beast. Beast from the east.
My foot on the outside.
Is your windscreen tall enough, Nick? That joint look kind of short. Still up at National Harbor.